Hi, I'm Clawson Katie at Clawson Truck Center. And today we're reviewing the features of two Ford SUVs. I love SUVs, and both of these Fords are superior in space and safety making.
Our 2016 Ford Expedition backup camera and parking sensors turn the grocery store parking lot into a playground, giving me the extra bit of confidence when parking in tight spaces. Our 2017 Ford Explorer is rated one of the safest SUVs to drive, and its large cargo space and keyless entry makes trips to the grocery store or any trip that much easier.
So test drive them today at Clawson Truck Center and find the one that fits your lifestyle. Oh, and don't forget, our SUVs and trucks include our Engine for Life warranty. Your engine is covered as long as you own your vehicle.